So today I'm going to show you what I use as a catheter container, useful for females with a shorter length of catheter. So what I use is a regular food container, plastic, but it's transparent. Those are all standard length for a female catheter, so it fits perfectly well. I also include a pair of glasses. This is used when I get up in the middle of the night to go to the bathroom so I can see. Okay, so there's one trick. And notice there is a opening here. So every time if I have to pull out a catheter, I'll just use this opening to do it without opening the lid. This is a perfectly waterproof container, and if I accidentally knock this down on the floor, the catheter would not spread all over the floor.